Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Future AI token. Now the Future AI token just finished their pre-sale recently on pinksale.finance. Then just today they got listed on CoinMarketCap, brand new listing. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here, the Future AI token. So they do have a full audit. They were audited by BlockSeifu, and you can view the PDF of that audit on PinkSale. They also have a KYC, which means that their team was doxed to PinkSale to verify who they are for security reasons. Now, they had a pretty big pre-sale here. They had 609 different investors contribute to this pre-sale. They did very well. Soft cap was just set at 40 BNB, and they ended up selling 553.02 BNB. So they very successful pre-sale. And then, like I mentioned earlier, they just got listed today. It says added 2 hours ago, actually, on CoinMarketCap. And right now, it is up 172.34% in the past 24 hours. And just in the past hour, since it got listed, it is up 96.79%. Now, this is getting a crazy pump right now because of this CoinMarketCap listing. So, a lot of the times it goes up initially after the CoinMarketCap listing and then right down the tube. So just be aware of that. Or, if it is a really amazing project, which it could be, no idea, then, it could stay up and continue to slowly go up, as more people find out about it. That is a possibility. But just be aware that, your hopes and dreams could just come crashing down. That's just the way crypto works. So they do have a Discord listed on here, a Telegram, a Twitter, a GitHub. Their official webpage is futureai.app. And that says a fully decentralized and self-managed portfolio protocol. We will have in our AI platform staking, DAO governance, yield farming, their own wallet, the Future AI wallet, everything with integration of artificial intelligence. And with this, we developed a bot for Telegram. Besides the metaverse integrated to the AI, for the security of our investors, we count on a KYC and audit, marketing in the main Telegram channel, Twitter, with renowned influencers as well, marketing, CoinMarketCap, CoinGecko listing, which they just got the CoinMarketCap one, so CoinGecko should be soon as well. And it says 0% tax on buys and sells, so that's good. Future Space AI is the name of the token. Future-AI is the ticker symbol. 18 decimal places on this token. There is a total supply of 100 million tokens. 37 million tokens for pre-sale. 17,926,500 tokens for liquidity. Now that the pre-sale is over, this token is available on PancakeSwap. So if you want to get this token, all you got to do is fund your Trust wallet or your MetaMask wallet, Coinbase wallet, whatever wallet you use. With Binance Smart Chain, go into the dApps, find PancakeSwap, and trade your BSC for the AI token, the Future AI token, using the contract address that you can now find on CoinMarketCap. You can also find it on PinkSale, their webpage, all over the place. Just make sure you have the right contract address, and you most likely will not have to change slippage if there is a 0% tax. Liquidity will be locked on PancakeSwap for 1 full year. Now, according to their token metrics allocation pie chart here, it says 37% of the tokens go to pre-sale, 17.9% go to liquidity, 10% go to marketing and development, 10% promotions, 10% partnerships, 10% central exchange and decentral exchange liquidity, And lastly, 5% goes to team and advisors. Now, there is a free and quick light audit by BlockSafe that you can review on Pink Sale as well, and there's no bad warnings on it whatsoever. It's just all good check marks. It says the owner cannot mint new tokens after initial deployment. The owner cannot set max transaction amount. The owner cannot set a blacklist. The owner cannot set fees. The owner cannot pause trading, and proxy contract in token is not found. So all sorts of good stuff there on their quick audit. Now, if you want to find more information, head over to their official webpage, futureai.app. Over there, you can find documents, a full white paper, their Nfts, their Dapp products, info. So I am the Future AI for Solutions. Future AI is a fully decentralized self-management wallet protocol that grants our investors the ability to easily and securely interact with their tokens, all supported by risk analysis and smart contract management tools. So their partners are DexView, PancakeSwap, Binance Smart Chain, and Pink Sale. It says they have 175 billion parameters to natural language processing. So see what Future AI can do. They have a Telegram bot, which is a GPT-3 they call it. They have DAO governance. So basically, if you are a token holder, you will have voting rights. You may have to stake your tokens, though, to acquire voting rights or get an NFT. So it says participate through the forum. Okay, you have to be in the forum of the Future AI Metaverse, and will vote based on votes. Updates will be, so they're going to have updates regarding that. You just stay tuned. They have the wallet, they have staking, they have yield farming. The GPT-3, the bot I was talking about, it says it's super advanced. It's got practical applications, chat bots, and linguistic features. They have different documents you could check out, like the audit, the KYC. Now, on CoinMarketCap, if you click on CoinMarketCap here, they're up 213%. So they're just doing amazing since they got listed here today. Full white paper is available also on CoinMarketCap. Easy to click on there. Token price today is 1.5 cents right now, 1.56 cents. So that could change very rapidly because of this new listing here. They do have their block explorer on here as well. It looks like maybe not. Let me check here. So they do have, looks like it's not working, maybe because the token just got listed on here. It probably does work on Pink Sale, though. They do have the token address on Pink Sale. Let me try to click on that block explorer. We can see how many holders are available right now. So they have 1,145 holders right now. So they're off to a great start. 8,793 transfers. And yeah, pumping. 12 seconds ago, 12 seconds ago. Lots of swaps going on. So check this token out. Just got listed on CoinMarketCap. It's in the new coin section. Check it out there. Now, I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section. What do you guys think about the Future AI token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video. Subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And check out all the referral codes down there in the description box. Get yourself some free crypto. Thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace.